Now, let's shift gears to the world of clicker training, drawing inspiration from the maestro himself, Mark Vert. Click, treat, learn. It's the doggy code of brilliance. Imagine Coco and me, just like a photographer capturing precious moments, creating a shared language through the enchanting clicker. Now, it's not just about sitting pretty. Teach the basics. Sit, don't, wait, stay, come, and more. It's like creating a repertoire of moves for your pup. Remember, a click is a promise of a reward. And who doesn't love a good promise?